So guys, let's make some algebra. Starting amount is 4,500 and the average annual return of 15% per year, according to one of my strategies, growth and dividends. It will make 40 years to reach 1 million. No joke, it's a fact. You will not become a millionaire in a couple of years by investing a few $1,000s. However, if in addition to those 4,500 we will add 200 per month, then the period is somewhat a little bit smaller, 29 years. What does it show? A simple Excel estimation instantly shows you roughly how much you can expect if you invest with a very effective strategy. Quite often people overestimate the possibilities of investments. It's typical for all people, and I'm not an exception, but it's important to remember you cannot become a millionaire in a couple of years, even if someone promises you to. When you start investing, expect it to take years to reach your goal. If the thought of it puts you off, that's fine. Not all people are able to plan to the long term, but if you go for it, give time to your capital, even if it's a very small. Good luck with your investments.